Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Dogecoin. If we're looking at the price of Dogecoin today, it's down about 5.9%. But before we come up with any sort of conclusions or, people start talking negative, we need to realize majority of the coins in the top 100 are down right now. But let's take a further look at the price to see what is happening and, of course, what we could be expecting in the near days to come. If we're looking at the price, 7.6 cents, down 5.8% in both Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. We have seen the market cap go below that $11 billion mark, currently sitting at 10.86 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is also below $1 billion mark, but we're very, very close. But what exactly is next? Because, if you're really focusing on the price of Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is close to hitting new yearly highs. So why is it that a lot of altcoins right now are not outpacing Bitcoin? And it goes back to the same thing, Bitcoin dominance. And it's crazy to see how many people don't like this index, because this index is one of the most crucial parts when it comes to cryptocurrency trading, looking at trends. Some people think this does not work, but this is perfect example that this indicator is something you need to be paying very close attention to, because you guys can see we've been picking up in terms of Bitcoin dominance. We were on just the 13th at 51.69%. We're almost at 53% right now in Bitcoin dominance. So what's happening is a shift. We're seeing altcoin profits going back into BTC, because if you've really focused over the past week and even of the past month, we're seeing a majority of the coins outpacing Bitcoin. So now what's happening is the other way around. You guys can see this for yourself. Rune, Near, GNO, EGLD, Tau, Gas, Caspa, Link, all these, Gala. If you compare it with BTC, you guys can see quite a big difference. But now what's happening is people are shifting their profits from BTC into from altcoins into BTC, which is causing the dominance to grow, and altcoins are bleeding. So again, nothing to worry about in my opinion. I think this will shift as we do go further into the weeks. I think we will see another massive altcoin rally. But again, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a closer look at Dogecoin and see what exactly is happening with Doge right now as of November the 21st. So if I were to give you guys a closer look on Dogecoin, still guys, upwards trajectory still in play. But with that said, if we're able to now hold this support line, there's a strong chance BTC could be retesting the 7.28 cents level. And still, that would still put us in an upwards trend. But if we're able to lose that, then, I think there could be, a time where this entire upwards trend that we're seeing get invalidated. So as of now, still in an upwards trajectory, especially if you're focusing on the hourly time frame, you will really understand as to what's going on. You can see this for yourself. One of the best looking charts, to be quite frank with you guys. Let's go back on October 19th. If you picked up some Doge on October 19th, you're up right now 32% after the retracement, but before the retracement, you were up about 51.49%. And we're talking about one of the top currencies in the crypto markets. It's ranked at the top 10 spot. The amount of people that are bullish on Dogecoin is being overlooked. And I think what Dogecoin could potentially do leading up to this next bull cycle, the magnitude of things that can happen, I think this price is still undervalued, especially being below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which of course is at 16.38 cents. So overall, still in an upwards trajectory. Like I said, pay very close attention to Bitcoin. But other than that, not much has changed. We're being supported by some crucial levels of resistances. Of course, now that has turned into support line. You guys can see this for yourself. This dates back to literally even the previous cycle. So we're being supported by some crucial levels of support. But if this were to be lost, we could be heading back down to that 7.17 cents, Dogecoin. Overall, still looking good. Like I said, long ways to go. before we break out. Like I said, once we break into this zone, this is where excitement comes in. But let me know down below what you guys are excited about the most for Dogecoin. What is your overall strategy? Let me know in the comments. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.